I'm Caleb Belly.
And I'm Anna Matapuro.
This is Channel 75, and we will be talking about energy research.
Today we'll be talking about alternate energy sources like wave energy and biomass energy. Also, we'll be talking about how they differ from other energy sources like coal and hydroelectricity.
First, we're going to be talking about wave farms.
30,000 homes can be powered by a 40 megawatt wave farm. One wave farm generates a max of 800 megawatts. They are 26 meters across, 13 meters deep, and 500 meters across shore. Energy is free. It is easy to forecast energy output. It puts out about 1 million gigawatts per hour. Its net worth is $740 billion in 10 years. First wave farm costs $60 million in US money. It's a source of constant power. It's renewable and efficient. Some of the cons are that it breaks down there's a high initial cost, it's noisy, and marine life is affected. But it is also out in the ocean, so it's not many people can hear it. So, how wind farms work is that waves rush into a long tube-like structure where the turbines are. When waves hit the turbines, they turn the turbines which create electricity.
Okay, this is how biomass energy turns into electricity. So first, animals turn to food products for humans, and humans produce waste. And also pulp, paper, lumber, plywood, and cotton, we turn into products for humans, and they produce waste from that as well. Also, so then after that, we burn the waste, and that heats the water in the power plant, and the water turns to steam. It rushes into the turbines, turns the turbines, and creates electricity.
Biomass. Biomass is organic and provides 5% of energy. 45% of it is made from wood, 44% of it is ethanol, and 11% is municipal waste. Some pros of biomass is it is made locally and it doesn't always depend on fossil fuels. The cons of biomass is that it needs large areas for the biomass to be efficient, and if overused, it can lead to deforestation and other environmental problems.
Okay, this is how coal is turned into electricity. First, it is mined. Then it is moved to a power plant. Then it is piled in the coal yard. Then it is pulverized so the coal can burn faster. Then it's sent to the boiler where it is burned and the water turns into steam. And then the generator, the steam rushes through the turbines, and then it turns the turbines to create electricity. Coal is mostly mined in the Appalachian Mountains in the United States. Coal makes up half the energy source for electricity. We started using coal in the Industrial Revolution, which was 300 years ago. And since then, the technology for using coal has improved. Okay, some of the pros of coal are it creates sufficient amount of energy, and there's 200 years of it left at the current rate we are using it. Some of the cons are it pollutes the air and causes geothermal pollution.
Water from the source or river will go into the dam, spin the turbines, and create electricity. Then the water slowly goes out the other side into the reservoir or lake, and that's how hydroelectricity is created.
Hydroelectricity. 7% of total electricity is created by hydroelectricity. Some of the pros of hydroelectricity. It is clean, non-polluting, and is easily renewable. Also, the energy source is free. Some of the cons. It separates ecosystem, sediment buildup, and it is expensive technology.
Now we will compare the 4 types of energy we have reviewed in this presentation.
Okay, so wave farms and biomass energy are better than coal and hydroelectricity. For example, Wave farms are better than hydroelectricity because they are out of the way and not as many people see them. Hydroelectricity, they mess up ecosystems, but wave farms are in the ocean, so they don't affect ecosystems as much. And biomass is better than coal because coal will run out in 200 years. But biomass uses waste that we have created. We have so much waste, and it would be a good way to solve the problem of where our garbage goes and our electricity needs. This is Anna Matapalil.
And this is Caleb Bellamy signing off from Channel 75.